Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to be working on, or in this case, we're going to be studying the Exodus wallet and how it works. Now, Exodus is a cryptocurrency wallet that was designed with the intention of providing a platform for securing, managing and exchanging digital assets on a variety of devices, including desktops, mobiles, and even hardware wallets. It's a non-custodian wallet, meaning that you retain control of your private keys and your cryptocurrency. Exodus supports over 100 different cryptocurrencies and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. It also has a built-in exchange that allows you to swap between different cryptocurrencies without having to leave your wallet. It is a popular choice for beginners because of its user-friendliness, the user-friendly interface, and its wide range of features. However, it is important to note that Exodus is a closed-source wallet, meaning that the code is not publicly available for review. This can be a concern for some users who prefer open-source software. Overall, Exodus is a good option for beginners and experienced users alike who are looking for a secure and easy-to-use wallet to store and manage their cryptocurrency. However, it is important to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons of using. However, it's important to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons of using a closed source wallet before making a decision. That's it. Thank you for today. See you in the next video.